Hi, I'm Kevin with Jon Wayne Service Company, and today we're at our homeowner's house installing a ductless mini split system in an upstairs lofted area that used to be an attic. So this particular house was built in the early 1900s, and it's not uncommon for these homes to have very little, if any, insulation in the walls, underneath the actual floors, or in the attic. In this particular occasion, the attic was converted into an upstairs lofted area, so it's extremely, extremely hot upstairs, and there's no way to run any ductwork from the main HVAC system. That's the reason why we're installing the single zone mini split system. So for those of you that are unaware of what a ductless mini split system is, it's actually a wall mounted unit that is mounted on an exterior wall that connects to an outdoor condensing unit, and there's no ductwork involved, so they're extremely efficient, very, very quiet, and it's a true zone system. What's beautiful about it is when you're not using that particular room where it's mounted at, you can turn it off and you're not paying for any unnecessary electricity. You can rest assured that once we come inside the house, our installers are laying drop cloths down from the doorway all the way to the point of the installation. We're wearing our protective masks right now, shoe covers to keep your floors clean. Everything is done very professionally and very cleanly. What we like to say is when we leave the house, our homeowners don't even know that we were there to begin with. Once again, I'm Kevin, and if you think you could benefit from a ductless split system in your home, please give us a call or visit us at jonwayne.com.